These PDF files, titled Hisense C2 Ultra and Hisense C2 Ultra 1, have identical content, yet their file sizes are worlds apart. The first PDF is 3.56 megabytes, while the second is only 320 kilobytes, that is nearly 9 times smaller. Let me show you what is inside these documents, starting with the larger one. This file contains text and several images. As you can see, there are 3 images in total. I will zoom in on one of them to check the quality. Even though the text looks tiny, it remains perfectly legible when magnified. Now, let's switch to the second PDF. Just like the first, it contains text and 3 infographic images. Looking at the image quality here, the text stays just as sharp when zoomed in as it did in the previous file. You might be wondering how I managed to shrink this PDF so significantly using just a budget phone like the Redmi Note 13. Let me show you. First, I will pull up the original file, which I created using the Google Docs app. As you can see, the original content consists of text and 3 infographics with no other images included. Most bloated PDF files are caused by images that haven't been compressed or resized before being inserted. So shrinking a PDF isn't actually a secret. It is simply the effort put into compressing and resizing the images. Let's head over to my gallery. These are the 3 images I used in the document. Opening them one by one, the first is a PNG file at about 1.28 megabytes with a resolution of 1024 by 1536 pixels. The second is an infographic at 1.56 megabytes with the same resolution. The third is a JPG file around 2 megabytes with a resolution of 2256 by 4000 pixels. Combined, these images total about 5 megabytes. That size usually drops slightly, because Google Docs often applies default compression to images when exporting to PDF. So how do I compress and resize images to keep the file size light? Here is my typical process. To change the file extension, adjust the dimensions, and reduce the file size, I often use the Photopea editor. I'll open link to photopea.com in my browser, select Open from Computer, and pick the image file. From the Image menu, I select Image Size and first change the units from pixels to centimeters. Next, I need to check the document's page dimensions to ensure the image fits correctly. Returning to the home screen, I'll create a new Google Doc and check the page setup. As shown here, I'm using a B5 paper size, which is roughly 17 centimeters wide and 25 centimeters high. Back in Photopea, I make sure the aspect ratio lock is on before changing the dimensions. I'll set the width to 14 centimeters. This is slightly smaller than the page width to account for the margins on the sides, top, and bottom. After clicking OK to save the changes, the file is ready to export. I tap the File menu, select Export As, and choose JPG. Before saving, I'll rename it by adding an X to the end and set the quality to 70. That is all it takes. Then I just hit Save. Returning to the gallery to check the details of the new file, you can see the size is significantly smaller than the original. Now all that is left is to replace the images in the document with these new, compressed versions. In the Google Docs app, I'll open the document, enter Edit Mode, and tap the image I want to swap. From the pop-up menu, I select Replace Image, then from Photos, and choose the compressed file. Once that is done, I just repeat the steps for the other images and head back to the Google Docs home screen to download and export the file as a PDF. Checking the File Manager now, you can see the new PDF is much smaller than it was before the images were optimized.